Once again, with an ambitious project, the nation known for its engineering prowess, Germany, is set to make history. This enormous project, which will include both massive power plants and innovative tunnels, is expected to completely transform the nation's environment. Let's take a look at the 10 most massive and costly megaprojects in Germany, beginning at number 10. Number 10. The Elbphilharmonie. The Elbphilharmonie, with a price tag exceeding $900 million, stands as a resplendent testament to architectural innovation and artistic grandeur. Situated in Hamburg, Germany, this enormous building has become the city's most recognizable landmark, capturing the perfect fusion of modernism and history. The repurposed brick storehouse at the base of the structure has been retained to blend in perfectly with the surrounding antique buildings. The upper portion of the structure, in sharp contrast, features an innovative design that is highlighted by a crystalline glass exterior and a sweeping wave-shaped roof that shimmers in the sunlight. However, the remarkable appearance conceals a tale of construction difficulties and skyrocketing expenses. When a private real estate developer first started the project in 2007 with an anticipated $82 million budget, the project ran into numerous setbacks, leading to significant delays and an eventual cost of nearly $1 billion upon its completion. Despite the turmoil, the Elbphilharmonie has earned international acclaim, attracting over 2.6 million visitors and becoming a must-visit cultural destination in Hamburg, while serving as an enduring symbol of architectural audacity and musical excellence. Number 9. Datteln 4 Power Plant. Germany's massive energy project, the $1.6 billion Datteln 4 Power Plant, is an impressive undertaking. This power plant, which is an essential component of the nation's energy infrastructure, had many difficulties during development. Environmental issues and legal disputes dogged the development of Datteln 4, which was originally intended to replace older, less efficient power plants. With an output higher than the total capacity of its predecessors, the plant was built with the intention of greatly increasing the generation of energy. The project's location in the city of Datteln increased its difficulty because the building was carried out amid constantly changing legal approvals and permit issues. However, Datteln 4 eventually overcame its difficulties and started operating formally in 2020. The plant is a symbol of Germany's determination to update its energy sector and transition towards more efficient and sustainable power generation. Number 8. Frankfurt 4 Skyscraper Complex. Frankfurt, the financial center of Germany, is home to the stunning Frankfurt 4 skyscraper complex, an architectural wonder that has profoundly altered the city's skyline. This ambitious project, which consists of 4 enormous buildings united at a single base, is a monument to creative design and contemporary urban development. Its distinctive architectural design and strategic location combine to produce a beautiful 360-degree panorama that provides breathtaking views of the busy metropolis below. The creative way in which this building uses light and space to maximize sunshine even at ground level is what really makes it stand out. The Frankfurt 4 complex, which has taken decades to complete, is a major step towards the revitalization of Frankfurt's financial district and promises a vibrant mix of offices, residences, hotels, and retail spaces. This groundbreaking project comes at a cost of $2.1 billion, an investment reflecting the city's commitment to redefining its urban landscape and ensuring its continued prominence on the global stage. The Frankfurt 4 skyscraper complex is not just a real estate endeavor, but a symbol of Frankfurt's vision for the future, combining form and function to create a truly iconic presence in the city's skyline. Number 7. Hohe and Albatros Wind Parks. Germany's dedication to clean and renewable energy sources is impressively demonstrated by the $2.4 billion Hohe and Albatros Wind Parks. Situated close to the German-Dutch border in the difficult North Sea, these wind parks mark a major advancement in the nation's move away from fossil fuels. Showcasing the intricacies required in harnessing the force of nature is the Hohe Wind Park alone. The enormous turbines here required about 10 times the amount of steel used to build the Eiffel Tower, and the deep 40-meter seas here necessitated careful planning to guarantee the stability of the turbines. However, in spite of these obstacles, the construction process went extremely well, and the wind park eventually produced 640 megawatts of electricity, equivalent to powering over 700,000 households. Both Hohsee and Albatros wind parks are pioneers in the renewable energy sector, serving as beacons of sustainable progress in Germany's relentless pursuit of cleaner and more efficient power generation. Number 6. Frankfurt Airport Terminal 3. At a cost of $4.3 billion, Frankfurt Airport Terminal 3 is an ambitious and eagerly awaited expansion to Germany's busiest aviation hub. After years of construction, this cutting-edge terminal is expected to improve the airport's operating capacity and revolutionize the way millions of travelers will enjoy their travels. Terminal 3 is set to open in response to the increasing demand for air travel. With 3 piers, G, H, and J, it will be able to handle an additional 19 million passengers each year. In addition, this massive project is a shining example of contemporary airport infrastructure thanks to its remarkable glass domes that let in an abundance of natural light and its inventive architectural style. Even though the project encountered unforeseen difficulties, mostly as a result of the COVID-19 epidemic, it is now poised for completion, with Pier G already standing as a testament to its architectural grandeur. Terminal 3 is set to play a pivotal role in Frankfurt's aviation landscape, contributing to more efficient travel, improved connectivity, and the continued growth of this bustling international transport hub. Number 5. Tesla's Berlin-Brandenburg Gigafactory. An enormous project that will likely cost $5.5 billion. Tesla's Berlin-Brandenburg Gigafactory is a testament to the company's dedication to satisfying Europe's growing demand for electric cars. This cutting-edge factory, which is ideally situated close to Berlin, is a crucial milestone in Tesla's global expansion. The Gigafactory's goal is to supply the European market with electric vehicle parts, including batteries, and the well-liked Model Y administrative setbacks hindered its completion. But it has already had a big influence on the area, creating work for more than 10,000 people and boosting Germany's economy. Being the only Tesla plant of this size in Europe, its goal is to produce 750,000 cars annually, which would establish Tesla's dominance in the rapidly expanding European electric vehicle industry. Despite early challenges, the Gigafactory holds immense promise for Tesla and underscores the company's role in accelerating the transition to sustainable transportation on a global scale. Number 4. Berlin-Brandenburg Airport. At a whopping $7.5 billion, Berlin-Brandenburg Airport, BER, is one of the biggest and most eagerly awaited infrastructure projects in Germany. The idea behind this massive project was to replace 3 aging and more crowded airports that served Berlin and the neighboring areas. The goal of the project was to build a single cutting-edge airport that could handle the increasing volume of travelers and strengthen the city's position as a significant hub for international travel. But there were several obstacles in the way of its completion. The airport was initially scheduled to open 5 years after construction started, but severe underestimation caused the costs to dramatically rise, resulting in a financial disaster. The project's advancement was further hampered by significant administrative and legal obstacles. Then, shortly before the October opening, the COVID-19 epidemic erupted, just before the scheduled opening in October 2020, compounding the airport's difficulties. Nevertheless, in the face of these trials, Berlin-Brandenburg Airport finally became operational in 2022, serving approximately 20 million passengers. Its future is poised to see even more growth as it continues to emerge as a central hub for travel and commerce, playing a pivotal role in Germany's aviation landscape. Number 3. Fehmarn Belt Tunnel. At a staggering $7.8 billion, the Fehmarn Belt Tunnel is an engineering marvel that has the potential to completely change the way people travel between Germany and Denmark. This massive project, which spans the Fehmarn Belt, entails building 2 tunnels, one connecting the island of Fehmarn to Germany and the other connecting Fehmarn to Lolland in Denmark. The second tunnel removes the 1-hour ferry voyage bottleneck, while the first tunnel replaces the antiquated bridge and provides a more efficient route for trains and cars. The Fehmarn Belt Tunnel, an incredible feat of engineering, will be the longest combined road and rail tunnel in the world, with a length of 18 kilometers. The project's ability to establish a more direct and effective rail link between Germany and Denmark is what gives it strategic significance, bolstering trade and regional integration. The tunnel will also play a vital role in reducing travel time and improving overall transportation infrastructure, thus enhancing economic and social ties between the two nations. Scheduled for completion in 2029, the Fehmarn Belt Tunnel is expected to come at a total cost of $7.8 billion, shared between Germany and Denmark, and marks a significant step forward in promoting sustainable and convenient cross-border travel and trade. Number 2. Stuttgart 21 Railway Expansion. With an astounding $10.4 billion price tag, the ambitious and divisive Stuttgart 21 railway expansion aims to modernize Stuttgart's transportation system. This project entails moving the train station underground and rotating it 90 degrees to become a through station, converting the city's current terminal station. This architectural marvel, which is visually stunning with its distinctive shell-shaped pillars and glass domes that let in plenty of natural light, has not been without difficulties and controversy. When early cost projections were greatly exceeded, there were demonstrations and violent altercations in 2009. However, Stuttgart 21 is moving forward, hoping to finish construction by 2025, after a 2011 referendum saw a majority vote in favor of its continuation. When finished, it should drastically cut down on travel time in the region and enhance connectivity, making it a project of profound importance for Stuttgart and its residents. Number 1. Intel Gigafactory. Germany's semiconductor industry is about to undergo a radical transformation thanks to the $33 billion Intel Gigafactory, an incredible technological project. This state-of-the-art facility, situated in Magdeburg, is an example of Intel's calculated move to maintain its leadership position in the cutthroat semiconductor industry and satisfy the region's expanding demand. Even though work on it started in early 2023, money problems have already emerged, in part because of rising energy and material prices. However, the plant is expected to create employment for tens of thousands of people, increase Germany's ability to produce its own microchips, and maintain its position as a major player in the world of technology. The Intel Gigafactory, Germany's most costly megaproject, has the power to drastically alter the nation's economic landscape and advance it to the forefront of semiconductor innovation, making it a project of tremendous significance and potential impact. Which of these projects is, in your opinion, the most amazing? Which one, in your opinion, presented the biggest difficulties? As we continue our exploration of the world of megaprojects, please leave your ideas in the comments section below. Please remember to subscribe if you liked this video so you can see more interesting videos like it. With your help, we can investigate even more incredible projects globally. Await our upcoming journey.